If you ever have to disassemble an old Meterman AC75A, that's how you do it. First, you take the two screws out. 1, 2. Take the battery out. There's a rubber grommet that goes in here to take the battery prongs out through this case, right? Then what you have, you have to open all the screws. There are like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws, right? Then, just a second. I'll get this one out. Okay, I got it out. This one. So now, take it out. Carefully, because it's still connected to the prongs. So, what you'll have in the normal and not broken handle, this is what you'll have. Then you have to take out the C-ring, the O-ring, the C-ring, right? The G-ring, whatever it's called. Take this out, and then this will go. It's connected to the plastic, to this plastic on here. Okay, and then the plastic will come out with a brass. With the brass rod will come out. So that's how you take the this multimeter apart. Look at it. Really beautiful. Thank you.